Hello viewers, congratulations on behalf of Teacher's English Tutorials. Today I am going to share an important topic by which everybody will be able to speak in English very fluently. We are Bengali, our mother language is Bangla. So when you will start speaking in English, mother language will come first in your brain because this is the power of your mother language. Today I am going to share 12 tenses. If you want to speak in English very fluently, first of all, you have to know the rules of 12 tenses. Which are 12 tenses? Number 1, present indefinite tense. Number 2, present continuous tense. Number 3, present perfect tense. Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. Number 5, past indefinite tense. Number 6, past continuous tense. Number 7, past perfect tense. Number 8, past perfect continuous tense. Number 9, future indefinite tense. Number 10, future continuous tense. Number 11, future perfect tense. Number 12, future perfect continuous tense. Today I am going to give you 100% guarantee. If you know the rules of 12 tenses, you will be able to speak in English very fluently. In case of present indefinite tense, first of all, you have to know the rules, how you can find out the rules of Bangla language. You know, when you say the Bangla pronunciation oh, ah, e, antasta, e, te, after the main verb of Bangla, then you may be sure with 100% this Bangla sentence will be present indefinite tense in English language. For example, আমি স্কুলে যাই. Look at আমি স্কুলে যাই. যাই, জয়কাজা রস্বই. যা is the main verb of Bangla language. When you say o, a, e, antasta, e, o, te, then you will find out these Bangla sentences will be present indefinite tense in English language. Then you will remember the structure of present indefinite tense, and everybody knows that. What is the structure of present indefinite tense? First of all, subject plus the present form of main verb plus object. So according to the structure you can apply আমি স্কুলে যাই. It will be I go to school. সে বিনা কারণে হাসে. হাসে, হাসে এ. So when you see a, antasta, re, e, then you will find out these Bangla sentences will be present indefinite tense in English. সে বিনা কারণে হাসে. সে হাসে. He laughs without any reason. সে বিনা কারণে হাসে. In this way, first of all, you will find out the Bangla sentences of present indefinite tense in Bangla language. Then you will translate into English. Very easily you will be able to speak in English according to this system, according to this method. Then you can make questions. You can make questions using present indefinite tense. When you will make questions using present indefinite tense, then you will take two auxiliary verbs, do or does, before the subject. If you want to give the answer yes or no, of course you have to make questions do or does and you have to take do or does auxiliary verbs before the subjects. সে কি স্কুলে যায়? সে কি স্কুলে? Just through this Bangla sentence you want to know yes or no from the other person. Clear? So সে কি স্কুলে যায়? So here, does he go to school? You will get answer yes or no. After that, if you want to know more information, you have to take WH words before do or does. If you want to know more information. Can you understand? Okay. So what are WH words? Everybody knows that, and I think Bangladeshi students have learned WH words from primary levels. WH words are who, which, whom, which, what, when, why, etc. These WH words are always available in English language, and these WH words I have already told you are frequently used in English language. Clear? সে কখন স্কুলে যায়? Just you want to know more information. সে কখন স্কুলে যায়? সে স্কুলে যায়, he goes to school. সে কি স্কুলে যায়? Does he go to school? Then you want to know more information. You have to use when before do or does. When does he go to school? Yeah, he goes to school at 10 a.m. Okay, and this is the process. This is the only process, because you can't ignore the importance of your mother language. Your mother language will influence you. If you want to know other languages, if you want to learn other languages, your mother language must influence you. You can't ignore this influence. But first of all, you have to find out the Bangla language. Which Bangla sentences will be present indefinite tense. First of all, you have to find out this, and after that you will use the structure of present indefinite tense and auxiliary verbs if you want to know yes or no. And if you want to know more information, of course you have to use WH word before do and does. But the question is when, and there are problems here. In case of present indefinite tense, the problem is that you have to add s or yes after the main verb, or you will not use s or yes after the main verb. But when will you use this s or yes? When will add s or yes after the main verb? This is the big question, and I think you have already learned the names of singular noun, plural noun, singular subject, plural, but I cannot mention this problematic methods now. When you hear I, we, you, they, একের অধিক ব্যক্তি, একের অধিক বস্তু, একের অধিক বিষয়, একের অধিক ঘটনা. In case of this Bangla expressions, you don't need to add s or yes after the particular main verb. Without this, you are free to add s or yes after the particular main verb. Without these Bangla expressions, mind this. Remember this, and I am giving you 100% guarantee through this technique you will be able to speak in English. Today I discussed present indefinite tense. In this way I will discuss the list of 11 tenses. Goodbye.